standing to testify this morning to this program. I've heard about it from my classmate, Soft Mind. She told us in our alma mater meeting, but I've been skeptical. January this year, when they had, I think, the end of year, the beginning of year meeting, I was also there, this podium there. So I've been skeptical, but about 3 weeks ago, when I went for official work at Port Harcourt, I discovered that even right from the first day on Monday, I will be losing strength. I work as an instructor, then I'm also in pastor. So both work, I talk a lot, I stand, I talk. So I discover I'm losing strength. Before I get to 12, I resume class 9 a.m. Before 12, I'm losing strength. I'm not myself. I said, no, something must be wrong. What? So my mind came back to this thing. Let me try this product she has been telling me. So I came back and she just reminded me quickly. I said, let me buy. I sent her money. She sent it to me. So I got my, last week. I got everything last week. So I waited some days before I contacted her. How do I take it? She told me. So I started with the snow field fort. Last week Friday, I took it before I left my house. I woke up first thing in the morning, poured into 50 cl container, and sure I finished everything before I left my house. So I had 7 o'clock class. I was doing that class. I know it's a Friday, so by Monday to Friday, Friday is the day I should be very weak. But 7 a.m. I'm not eating anything apart from that. Then just keep drinking water. I noticed I have unusual energy strength. I said, but I started asking myself, why in the middle of the class? What is wrong? The only thing different from every other day is just this snow-filled fort. So I was puzzled. I took it again on Saturday. I'm having unusual strength. I told my younger brother, since I started taking this yesterday, by this time, my Saturday, I will need to at least sleep Saturday 5 hours to get myself. It's in the afternoon I'll get myself. I said, but since morning, I'm stronger than I used to be. I started noticing. On Sunday, I took it. Then on Monday, I started adding the double stem cell to it on Monday, yes. Double stem cell and the IIQ plus after my knee. So I've been taking that. I'm just like a week plus in taking it. My strength, my body, my vigor, everything. So I'm not deceiving anybody. For me to tell you, while I told my brother on Saturday or so, Saturday to Sunday last week, I told him, a friend of his, that the mother has cancer, was on the queue. So I shared video with him. He shared with that one. That one started talking. So I don't know all the questions, all the answers. So I was forwarding questions to her. She was sending me reply, and I was sending to the person. The person is in data, Benin data. So I was forwarding. At a point, the person now asked my brother, can your brother give me the doctor's phone number? So I just sent, because I can no longer answer, they were more than my knowledge. I told her, I'll send your number to somebody. Say, yes, this too. I use the Snowfield Fort and this, then IQ Plus. So I sent the number to her, this double stem cell. So I sent the number to her, they communicated. Later she told me that she has talked with the person and the person has decided to sign up. It was this week on Monday. So I just got a mail because she registered me. I got a mail that I have some balance, some money. I didn't enter for the money, it was just for my head. So she called me also. She talked to me. I said, the data I logged in, I saw it. I have some dollars. And I said, okay, it's not left for me. I'm sure I'm okay now, but I think if there's money back, I should also tell people. So I'm new, but this letter today I've gained a lot, and I will work apart from the strength I get, I normally feel pain here, especially during if I'm inside a cold environment like this AC, or when it rained 2 months ago, on my knee. So I noticed since then I've not been feeling it. I've just been, and I thought on Sunday, right before we were about to go to that, I told my wife, try this thing. I know you normally complain after you work all the day, you will say today, no. Just take, I gave her one, put it in 50 cl, and so you drink it with it, she was taking it. And we came back, she didn't complain. The way she normally will complain, she need time to rest. Till now, she didn't complain. I said, it's like, you will get your own food. So, but let me finish. So that's it. I'm encouraged that because the work I do, I stand a lot, I do it. But this week has been my best week. It's like, I just started, I'm very, very young. So, I will tell you, it's working. I'm still on my own. Before coming this morning, it's working. It's working.